Well, hello everyone. My name is George Stroud. I am the Vice President of Student Life and Dean of Students here at Dickinson College. I am standing here in the lobby of ATS where the testing for COVID-19 is taking place. And I want to try to take you around and show you what you will experience when you come in for testing throughout this spring semester. Hello, how are you? When you arrive at ATS, this will be the first table that you come to, and the person here will ask you if you have completed the symptom tracker for the day, the daily symptom tracker, and will ask to show your green dot. I am showing my green dot. Here's the green dot here. In addition to the green dot, they will ask if you've completed the medical questions on LabPass so that you can complete your test for the day. And lastly, you will also be asked if you've enrolled in the COVID Alert PA app. After successfully checking in, you will then walk down to the next table, which is the test kit pickup table. At that table, you should expect to be asked for your identification, as well as to verify your last name and date of birth.
Can you please verify your last name and your date of birth?
Yes, thank you, that is correct. After you receive your testing kit, you will go to the second floor of the ATS building, and you will stand here and wait until one of the testing stations is available. Once at the table, you will set your testing kit down, remove your mask, grab a tissue, blow your nose, clean your hands. After you've cleaned your hands, you will then remove the cap from the valve, then remove the swab from its container. Then you will insert the swab in your nostril, making sure that the swab is completely in your nostril, and go do a circle around, making sure that you touch the inside of your nostril, both nostrils, 3 times. Once you are finished, you will take the swab, place it in the vial, insert the cap and the vial over. Make sure that you, once again, clean your hands, then grab your mask, put your mask back on, and now you have successfully completed the testing. Thank you.